Power target trades, power trigger trade.
All right, people, I got another powerful video here at Power Group Trades. I am Power Trigger Trade, the big picture leader. So this is what I posted January 21st. I mean, this gave us 400%, well, close to 300% gains in one day. Now, this is prepared. I'm going to show you because I put a lot of focus in GME. So, and you're going to see that, you know, because this happened today. Market is closed January. You're going to see hours in this because we're still holding runners, by the way. Anyways, so GME is a stock. I posted this. GME is a stock that has come back to life and is building up for some great gains. The key is to have having the best odds is for this to show power over key pivot. So let's see what I said. Okay, so I'm going to click into the chart here. And I said GME is set up to test 60 to 65. Well, this did way better than expected. But however, we always grind with skill, with expectations. I get us into things because I think we have power and direction. Understand? I know what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you what I said. I said we're going to use the February 8, 19, 50 calls is what we will use. GME needs to show power over 46 to confirm. Well, of course, that's what GME did, but I got us to pay even more. I'm going to show you because I wanted to make sure that the right power was coming in. And once the right power came in, boom, zoom. Now, as you can see, the February 19, 50 calls. Give me 1 second here.
I didn't understand that.
Right, you can see here where the arrows are. The February 19, 50 calls cost $545 on January the 21st. That was the closing. It shows you the value, the open interest, all that. Okay, now. So let's go into what I further said. Power Trigger Trade and the updates. I gave a lot of updates on GME. So let's go back into the group. So here it is. GME is a very high odds win we could have. The key is the power to avoid the chop. Okay, so give 1 second here. You can see here that is showing 23 hours because I made another update. GME showing power after hours, and so this one will be a strong focus. Strong focus. Notice the word strong focus. I'm telling people, we got to be on this. It is very bullish above 46 and higher. But I also explained that we're going to need higher buy stops. We have to think differently. I'm going to show everything here. So with GME, we need to think power. And so it's not just the price of the stock. So the right buy stops needed. In the case, now I gave it at 850. By the way, I had to lower them because that was too high. But 850 buy stops. All you had to do was put those buy stops in. And this made sure we got in for the right reasons. Again, I understood what was necessary because we had to buy the power. Notice my name, Power Trigger Trade. The power. I understood this, that in order to avoid games, we need the power. And I explained it. I prepared step by step. Anybody who cannot succeed in my group is because they don't follow the instructions. And those who do succeed, clowns will fail. I know how to make money in the markets. I tell people, we have to grind with skill. And I'm going to show you what we got because we're grinding with skill. So then, here it is. GME might open at 46, then move down. But then we want to see it take out 47, etc. But if it opens strong, say 46, and lowers, but then does not take out higher, then we lost our advantage. True power does not move like this. So I've explained what we need to happen. We need it to show power. So in the story, what did I say? As it opened up, basically, GME, buy stops, fix the problem. To make sure the stock keeps moving, much like GM, forget about. So for GM, 47 to 48 in this case is the buy point starting area. So GME buy stops can be set at 750 as it opened up. You see, 9 hours ago the market's closed, but I then had our stops at 750. Then I moved them up to make sure. GME buy stops at 8. Then GME 8. You can see the updates and explanations. Why do we, and I explained about the ask and bid. I'm not going to talk about that, okay? You have to read about it. GME buy stops can be set at 780, and that's exactly what we left it at. At 780, it triggered based on that it hits the the bid at 780. It hit the bid at 780, and we got in.
I didn't understand that.
Okay, so let me go. Okay, so here it is. GME confirming with the February 1950 calls at 783. I adjusted the buy stops. GM acting very well. Now this is a stock that can keep moving higher and pay us. Moving buy stops to 770. So I explained the action was correct. All you had to do was use a buy stop. Now, those who grind with skill, they take action. They go in correctly, make dollar bills with skills. I couldn't make it more baby easy. I understand the real direction. I also explained GME is a stock that just broke 6-year highs as well. Something is up. I can't make it clearer when I understand real direction. I do this year after year after year with precision and skill beyond anyone else. I know how to succeed. I give advice beyond advice, step by step. Most people cannot make decisions like this. All you have to do is listen to the Power Ticker Trade. All right then, I love it. The money we made. I'm going to show you. We're going to go look at that thing. Basically, this just took off. I even had left people. Here's the reality. I left. I told people, I'm going to show you this here. I just explained why most people fail. GME people follow. I'm telling now. Now. I am stepping out. Should be back by one. Now, what happened was I went for the dentist. I knew GME was good, but then the thing shoots up, goes past 60. What we usually do is we sell at 100%. Now, in this case, adaptive thinking, I ended up, the options went as high as 30. I sold easy, baby easy at $2,400, half of the position. You can see what I said here. Just got back, sold 50%. This could have been sold easily. $3,000 an option. You follow? We made over 200%. Now we're still holding runners. Again, study my YouTube channel. Listen when I talk. Don't be a stock clown. Ha ha! All right then. So, options hit 32, a massive. We're going to show you some. I then told us to move stops at 14 for the February 1950 calls for GME. We closed above 20 something. We're holding runners, and again, I manage my group step by step. Let's go to the charts. Power Ticker Trade. Okay, so here we are in the charts. As you can see, GME opened up at 42.79. Made it very easy. I was preparing us to buy over 47, but then it changed. It's called adaptive thinking. Now, I'm going to go to the options chart, but let's see. Look at the high today. 70. You don't think you would have made money listening to my advice? Let me show you what this was. I have, again, my charts are very good. I can look at things very far. So let's zoom out. Oh, sorry. We can't. Okay, that's a daily chart. So I looked at the weekly charts. Look, in 2014, this stock's high was 56. Do you understand that I understood this? That above 56, it meant something. This stock was breaking out of a 6-year, okay, over 6 years. Look at that. There's also talks of The point is that I prepared the group step by step to gain massive gains with skill. We take action. Study my YouTube channel. Wake up. Stop being stock clowns. All right then. Anybody who fails in my group, you're a clown. You're a stock clown. All right then. Let's go to the options chart for those calls. Give me a second here, people. All right, before I do that, I'm going to put up the options chain. You see here, these are the 50 calls. They closed, you can see, at $2,200 an option per option. What did we get at? 780. How easy was this to get into? Baby, easy. Understanding real direction, taking action. Now I'm going to show you the options chart. Study what I am telling you to do. When I tell you to study, you study. Power Trigger Trade. Okay, you're going to see a box. This is an options chart. So, this is
top search result.
This is an options chart for the February 19, 50 calls, okay? You can see, if you look towards a box, but there's a corner where you see GME, it shows you, anyways, these are the 50. So listen, here you can see, now look at the box over here. Open, 450, right, of the options. Now, when did they close yesterday? You can see. On the 21st, they closed at 545. See GME green? 545. The open was 450, the high 640, the low 345 for the February 19 50 calls. Now, you can see what those options did. Look at an options chart, stock clown John. All right then? There's a guy called the stock clown. Now, let's take a look here. What did they open at? 541. What was my buy stops? Originally 850. We moved them down to 780. I made it baby easy. Low, 545. What was the high? Go look at the high there. $3,200 an option. Closed 22.15. To sell at 30. To sell at 28. To sell at baby easy. It was showing power on top of power. But what do I always tell us to do? We always sell 50% hold runners. In this case, it was okay to sell them all, but I decided I want to hold in case we run up again. We can try to sell them at 28, 3,200, whatever. We have power. There's power going on here. This was a trade that was a long time in the making. I identified it. I waited for the trigger points. I posted a plan. Power Trigger Trade. Study this damn video. Study it hard. Because I made this baby easy, step by step. Power Trigger Trade. Let's look at some of the gifts I already received from my serious members who grind with skill. Of course, David, a star. Let's take a look. Sandro, thanks for leading the group to the massive GME winner. Real skills and vision are needed to achieve real success. And your leadership brought us to another sunshine again. $966.68. Listen to me. Listen to my video. Listen to what I'm telling you. Look at what people are saying. David has been grinding with me for a year, for many years, but he's been a solid, big leader. Take another. Sai, a new member. Getting into the group, it was a little tough, but I tell people we gotta grind, and then the big winners that come. This is a new member. He came in the tough times, still comes out a winner, still being able to say, small gift, but you know what? Let's see what he says here. Sandro, thank you for the great gains in GME. What a great day today after a week of losses. GME gave all the gains back. This gave confidence to all of us. We wait for confirmation before we enter any trade and adaptive thinking based on market conditions. Thank you once again for your guidance and leadership. Study the videos which are key for your success. Again, it's a new member. And he came in and he came into the rough sign, but I motivate, I tell people, listen, it's about catching the big winners. Even if you do all the right things, it's in market. But if you grind with skill, throughout the year, success is going to be yours. Every year we succeed, those who grind with skill, that is. Clowns don't get this. Too bad, clown. You know what I say to that clown. Okay, then. So then, Saeed. Now, I'm really proud of Saeed. Again, small account, not a big deal. Hi, Sandro. He's been in the group for a while. I'm really proud of Saeed. Hi, Sandro. Thank you for the great GME plan. You are a man of massive skill. And everyone who is looking to succeed in the market and life should listen to the advice word for word. Thanks again for the amazing plan, Saeed. Small account. I think he's in a 20K area. But there's these two options, some good gains for a small account, right? Bruce. Now, if you go look into my videos, you'll see Bruce, massive wins all the time, always doing well. He grinds with skill, power to trade style. It's because you have no skill. Whoever gets into my group, if you don't make it, it's because you have no skill. You don't follow instructions. You don't grind with skill. You just think about one thing. You gotta be able to take the good and the bad, but if you grind, all the winners, they make the losers look like babies. We had a winner in Tesla, 2K to 27K, so please don't cry and complain. Let's see what Bruce said. Sandro, this gift is a thank you for the GME plan. You have been blessed with skill and always providing razor-sharp guidance. 2021 is on its way to being not more than another great year, but history-making and life-changing. Power Trigger Trade, boom, $1,000. Listen to me. You understand? I am the boss. I am the leader. I help people to give with. It's like a business plan given step by step to succeed. No one. I got experience up the wazoo. Okay then. You understand? If I tell you you're a clown, you're a clown. Pablo, gained small account, been with me for a while. This gift is to thank you for the great plan in GME. In this choppy day, your magnificent skills allow us these great gains. This year, 2021, same. Thanks for the leadership. Thanks, Sandro. I mean, there's more gifts, and I'm not going to go over all the gifts, but you get the point. I put this in the face of the people I kick out of the group. Boom. Listen to me. I give advice of gold. If you don't want to listen to my advice of gold, you're never going to succeed. I prove it in the videos. Listen to me. These videos are up. This to the people who don't want to listen to me. All right, so how do you become a member inside my group? Listen to me carefully. You see, here's a pinned tweet video. Click on it. Listen to this video. Follow the advice on that video. Don't be a stock clown. All right, then. Go to my YouTube channel. Let's go to my YouTube channel now. All right, welcome to Power Target Trades. Listen, people, study my videos, my created playlist. Study the history. Listen to me. Study my videos.
I have many.
Those who don't study or take faith in what I'm telling them, you're not going to succeed in the market. You are going to remain a damn loser.
Understanding of options and how to use options.
And then in the video, see this icon. Click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I suggest you study my YouTube channel. There isn't a channel of golden information. Year after year after year, we grind with skill, we win. Power to trade. Don't forget to like the video. Power to trade.
So basically what you want to